Hello, hello. This is the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap, episode 361. This is Rajyasree Sen.
This is Abhinandan Sekhri.
This is Radhika Vaz.
And Radhika Vaz is a stand-up comedian and writer. She's the only Indian, one and only, to have won the Gotham Independent Film Award in New York and was featured at the Tribeca Film Festival. She's also written a memoir titled Unladylike, which was also the name of your first show that we did, right?
And which we reviewed, by the way, on this show.
Oh, thank you guys.
Yes.
She was
Yes,
here.
that was a
till
long
that
time ago though.
Yeah, that was how many years?
It's been a long time. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's been maybe almost 7-8 years, if not longer.
Yeah.
And her latest stand-up comedy show is called Jat Bahu because she is a Jat Bahu. But you're originally from Bangalore.
I'm originally from the Indian Air Force because my parents just live in Bangalore, but my dad's from Goa, my mom's South Indian. I have no firm roots anywhere, and I grew up in the Air Force. So I grew up all over the place. And then I decided to, get with the earthiest of earthy people.
A Jat. You married a Jat.
Married a Jat.
That's why she's in Ghungat today.
That is why I'm
So
in
the
Ghungat.
show is called Jat Bahu,
Yeah.
where you're performing in which all cities?
I mean, I'm going to be performing all over the place. So the best way to know where I'm performing is to follow me on Instagram.
Right. And her Instagram account ID, whatever it's called, is on your screens right now. But she'll also tell you what it is.
It's Radhika Vaz.
Surprise.
Vaz with a Z.
Yes.
And
Vaz
Radhika with a
Z.
DH. So we'll be talking about, as I'm told, the Sprint, which is a film, I'm guessing.
No, it's a
Oh
series.
my God, this is going to be
Yeah, it's
amazing.
going to be
And
fabulous.
Deadpool and Wolverine, which I watched. It's a movie.
Okay, well, that part I don't even care about because I haven't watched it, but I have been diligent because I binge watched Sprint.
How
So
many
is-
episodes?
I think they're like 6.
They're
Okay.
I think
more,
there's 6
huh?
episodes. No. I think, or
Six?
maybe there are more than 6, but
Yeah.
I watched the recent ones, all 6. And I'm basically a frustrated athlete. It's a documentary about sprinting. And it's a documentary about the 100 and 200 meters specifically, world championships. Where they set the records and
When?
also.
This is Usain Bolt and gang.
No.
No,
This is
new,
recent. These
new.
are the guys who are all at the Olympics right
Oh,
now.
right now. Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So and it's so much fun to watch.
So net, I thought this was my least favorite of all the Marvel films. Maybe the couple. I didn't
Who's in
really
it?
care.
Ryan Reynolds, who's hot.
Yeah.
Who's Deadpool?
Hugh Jackman,
Yeah.
who's very
Who's
hot.
very
He's a
And
very
his-
hot man.
God, his arms.
And he's single, I think, now also.
He's
right?
now single. And
But he cries a lot. Like Advani. That puts me off.
What do you mean he cries a lot?
Like that.
In the movie?
No, generally in life. In interviews and all.
Literally,
Why is Wolverine crying?
Yeah.
That's weird.
And I was
Anyway,
thinking
yeah.
I missed this part
Yeah.
with those 3D
You know, like
glasses.
people who anything happens, they get very emotional. Advani was like that.
He's emo.
Modi is like that.
He's emo.
You know,
Where does
Does
Modi
Modi
cry?
cry?
what are you saying?
He
And
doesn't
everyone
cry.
wins an election.
This time he didn't know. He was like stone face.
This
He
time,
was like,
At
I've
this time I was
never
genuinely in
seen
shock.
him
I
look
can't look
so
at it.
angry.
No, but coming
as
back.
this
So,
time.
Rajyasree, did you like it? You were seem
No,
to enjoying it a lot.
I like the fact that there's a lot of nice cameos. So there's
I had this mild headache, and then after that we went for dinner, and then of course it became a intense headache.
Yeah. The two of you?
So
who else will give him so much company? There was that couple behind us also who fought so much.
they were fighting with each other.
She said, I've
And
come
then-
on a Saturday, something.
Then we turned around. We said, we're
Auntie?
trying to watch a film. Will you please not create a scene here?
He's telling her.
Yeah.
So I want to say, film ka to pata nahi.
I would have been far more interested in that.
It was because it was a work affair. I
I
got
have
that much.
done things like
I-
changed my table in like
To
a
over here.
restaurant so that I can go and sit closer to the fighting couple.
I've sometimes
You guys are
changed
horrible people.
once when it
Love
was
it.
very clearly a blind date and you could make out it was horrible. That blind date was just going south. So we moved the table next to them.
You know, the
I really
biggest
listen.
public fight I've had with your friend, my husband, and
Oh.
your friend also,
Huh?
was, there have been many,
I was gonna
but
say
like
that
a
again.
really embarrassing one for him in a restaurant was because, there was a time in New York where there was a company, I don't know if it's still there, it's called Groupon,
Yeah,
where
yeah.
you get these coupons, okay? And somehow he had been severely influenced by one of his equally cheap friends to totally take Groupons on like the rare occasions that he and I would even go anywhere as a couple, right? Otherwise, it was always like gangbang with all the bloody friends. And so I was like, we're going to do date night. And I was like, let me do some white girl shit.
Yeah.
I live in New York. I'm going to be that person. So he said, okay, great. So I picked this restaurant, which I really liked. It wasn't fancy or anything. It was nice, but it wasn't like crazy. And we get there and I take the menu and I find what I want. And I can see Deepa getting more and more upset.
Because the
Because
voucher
the item,
was only...
no, the item that I was picking was not on the Groupon. Because Groupon, what they do is they want
Only some
specify
items.
Yes, they
also.
specify. So certain things you can't order on the Groupon. And I picked the one thing that wasn't on the Groupon. We had a fight and you should have seen the...
He's written, hi, Niku, Rajeshri. This is a Rajeshri appreciation mail. Last Friday, I was very stressed out due to my work and was not able to sleep till 2 in the morning. Side note, I never understood why people refer to it as 2 in the morning and not night. It doesn't make sense. That's a story for a different day, okay? Anyways, I was unable to sleep. I switched on your podcast, and when Rajeshri started narrating the Maharaja storyline, I slept within 5 minutes. Thank you, Miss Sen. Keep doing the good job. But as I was saying, thank you for your mail.
That was hilarious.
Kapil Dev, that was a cover drive through the covers. I think that's the cover drives go usually. I don't know much
These are
about
the
cricket.
kind of mails we get to India.
I think it's hilarious.
Nothing positive anyone has to say. Very
Tell us,
annoying.
what is Jat Bahu about Red?
Ooh, talk about switching gears.
Yeah.
Jat Bahu is basically about dating the wrong men so that you can marry the right mother-in-law.
Nicely
Oh,
put.
nice.
Well
Because
Very
finally
good.
it all comes down to that.
Yeah.
If you want, look, at the end of the day, firstly, don't get married. Whoever's listening and who's not married, don't get married. So don't get married. So if you're not planning to get married, you're not married, don't get married. That's all good. So I'm not talking to you. But I'm just saying, like, to those of us who are married, leave your marriage if you can. No, I'm just kidding. But if you can't leave
This
your
is
marriage...
a public service announcement.
I know.
Huh.
If you can't leave your marriage, you don't want to leave your marriage, there's certain things that have to work, yeah. And I do, my personal opinion, and this is
Of
just my
course.
view, okay, is that it helps to have a relationship of sorts with your mother-in-law.
I think it's very important. I get it.
And I think that, there are plenty of
that
marriages...
for both, for the husband and the wife, or only
Yeah,
the wife?
I would imagine for both, but I can't speak for anybody else, male or female, other than myself. So I'll just say for me personally, my relationship with my mother-in-law, for different reasons, and you have to come watch the show to experience why it became important also, is helpful. It's very helpful. I mean, we're such different women, right? I mean, she's Jat, I'm feminist. Like, how are you going to... I'm kidding. The Jats are lovely. They're so about women empowerment.
Jats are lovely, dark and deep, but I
Yeah.
have promises to keep. And miles to go.
No, but I think for me, the whole the show itself is about it's divided, I would say, between talking about my sort of journey of sort of how I went from a young lady to myself now. So meeting my husband a little bit before that even, and sort of like what I thought marriage was, what I thought it would be, what it actually is. So it's a lot of stuff about marriage and mine specifically. And the reason I called it Jat Bahu was because...
We only entertain subscribers' emails. So if you want your mail to be considered, and we will really reflect upon your suggestion, advice, etc., criticism, you have to be a subscriber. So you can subscribe on the link that is in the show notes, or you can go to newslaundry.com and you'll see what to do. We don't depend on any ads, which is why we can say what we want about who the fuck we want. In fact, I think other than this podcast, no one has been able to say anything even slightly critical about the Ambani wedding. But do subscribe, because news platforms like News Laundry should not depend on advertisers. Otherwise, Mukesh Bhai and Ambani Bhai will be running all news operations. They're already running quite a
Which
few.
they are almost doing.
You can fund journalism that solely works for you. That is our motto at News Laundry. You can pay to keep news free so that news becomes accountable to you just like it's supposed to be. Visit newslaundry.com and become a paying subscriber so that you can pay to keep news free and independent.